guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing my first FabFitFun, and it is a starter box, and here it is. And I actually got this starter box thanks to Clara Beauty. I will link her channel in the description box. She said that she had like 5 starter boxes, and I emailed her to ask her if she could give me a code so I could get a starter box. And she was so sweet and gave it to me. So thank you so much, Clara, if you watched this. So anyways, I'm going to be unboxing this today, and I'm super excited. So I'm super excited because I've never had a FabFitFun box because it's kind of pricey for me, especially now that I'm going to college. I could barely afford anything. So let's see. Ta-da! That's what it looks like. It comes with a little pamphlet here. Well, it's not little, it's big. And it says FabFitFun, how the box is curated, with lots of love, of course. I'll just finish reading this later. I don't want to bore you guys. And it has a card. It says, a note from us, a FabFitFun. We're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a FabFitFun member. Enjoy some of our top rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing. And on the other side it says what's in the box. Total retail value $162. Holy crap, that's a lot. Okay, so I'm super excited to see what's in my box, and it comes very nicely wrapped. It comes in cute little tissue paper and a cute sticker. Okay, so the first product that I see here, it is Whish Powerfully Effective Naturals Rose Hip and Lotus Firming Sleep Mask. Cool, I love sleep masks. Firmer look and feel, texture refining. This is what the product looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it because it has a lot of reflection. And it says Whish, because it says Whish. W-H-I-S-H. Whish Firming Sleep Mask. Overnight firming, intense moisturization, calming and soothing. So I'm super excited for this product because I try to use a sleeping mask every single night. Oh, this is pretty, and it's like glass. This is what it looks like. It's super pretty. Here, let me open it up. It smells so good. Look at that. It's so pretty and it looks so moisturizing. So I can't wait to try this out. And this Wish Beauty Rose Hip Lotus Firming Sleeping Mask retails for $54. That is so cool. I'm super excited for this. Okay, the next product here, it is by Tula, and it matches my shirt, the color. It is a Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. Ooh, I'm super excited for this. So I don't think I've ever tried any products by Tula, and I've heard so many good things about this, so I'm super excited to try it out. This probiotic gel-based cleanser removes dirt, impurities, and makeup gently and effectively. Skin is left balanced, clarified, and prepped for skincare. So yeah, I'm super excited for this. I can't wait to try it out. So this Tula Purifying Face Cleanser retails for $28. Okay, let's see. Now on to the next product. Summer and Rose, a place for everything. And I'm not sure what it is, but it comes in this box right here. I have to open it from the side. And it comes with like the foam thingy.
Oh, that's super cute.
This is so cute, you guys. Look at that. It's like a little plate. And I think this is for like jewelry and all that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at that, you guys. I love the pattern. And it is glass, ceramic. It's so cool and it's super pretty. And on the bottom it says Summer Rose. So this Summer and Rose Celine trinket dish, so it's a trinket dish, retails for $22, and it is for jewelry. So I'm super excited for this, and I will definitely be using this for my jewelry. Why does that bother people? I don't get it. But I'm gonna keep these because I know it bothers my boyfriend, so I'm gonna do it to him later when he gets here. Okay, the last product. Ooh, this is so cute, you guys. So the last product is a makeup bag by Yumi Kim. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty and adorable, and I just love it so much already. Here, let me open it up. This is going to be my travel makeup bag because I do travel often. It's so cute and adorable. I love the detail on it with the pink roses. I think they're roses. And it says Yumi Kim right here. Yumi Kim. Let's take a look inside. Look at that. So it comes with a little pocket right here. Oh, I could actually hang this up. Okay, this is so useful, you guys. Okay, I'm so happy with this. And it has another pocket here, another pocket here. I am super excited for this. Okay, so this Yumi Kim hanging train case retails for $58. Holy crap. That's super expensive. But anyways, I'm super happy that I got it for free pretty much. And so yeah, that is everything that I got in my starter box for FabFitFun. See, there's nothing more in here. So thank you so much, Clara, for giving me a code. I'm super happy and grateful. If you're not subscribed to Clara, make sure to go check her out. I will have her link in the description box. And well, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's